Have you ever wondered what it really takes to be a successful entrepreneur? Welcome to a journey through the insights of Sam Altman, a renowned name in the entrepreneurial realm. Let's delve into the world of entrepreneurship through the eyes of Sam Altman. Hold on to your seats, this is going to be an enlightening ride. So, who is Sam Altman, you may ask? Well, Sam Altman is a distinguished figure in the entrepreneurial world. Born and raised in the Midwest, Altman's journey began when he co-founded a location-based social networking company, Looped, which sold for a cool $100 million. But his impact didn't stop there. He went on to become the president of Y Combinator, a startup accelerator that has birthed giants like Airbnb and Dropbox. Under his leadership, Y Combinator flourished, helping countless entrepreneurs turn their dreams into reality. Today, Altman leads OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research lab. He's committed to ensuring AI benefits all of humanity. Clearly, Altman's insights into entrepreneurship are worth our attention. So, let's explore his guide to entrepreneurship. The first key point from Altman's guide is focus on the long term. Many entrepreneurs often get caught in the trap of seeking immediate results. However, true success in entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about planting seeds today that will grow into mighty trees tomorrow. Let's take the case of Amazon. Jeff Bezos didn't become the world's richest man overnight. He started Amazon in his garage, selling books. Bezos was confident in his long-term vision, even when Amazon was not profitable for several years. Today, Amazon is a global conglomerate, a testament to the power of long-term focus. Similarly, Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX was initially met with skepticism. Yet Musk remained focused on his long-term goal of making space travel a reality. Today, SpaceX is leading the charge in private space exploration. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither are successful businesses. It's all about the long game. The next crucial insight from Altman's guide is make something users love. This principle isn't merely about creating a product or service that people find useful or interesting. It's about creating something that deeply resonates with your users, something that they can't live without, something they'll tell their friends about, something they'll advocate for. This is the kind of love we're talking about. Let's take Apple as an example. They didn't just create a phone, they created an iPhone, a device that transformed the way we interact with technology. Users didn't just like the iPhone, they loved it. And that love turned into loyalty, into a community of advocates who spread the word about the product, leading Apple to become one of the world's most successful companies. So when you're brainstorming your next big idea, remember to ask yourself, will users love this? Will they become advocates for your product or service? Your users are your biggest advocates. Win their hearts and success will follow. Finally, Altman's guide emphasizes, don't forget about distribution. This is the third and equally vital key point. Now, you might be thinking, I have a fantastic product, isn't that enough? Well, not quite. You see, a great product is only half the battle. The other half is getting it into the hands of your customers. That's where distribution comes in. Think of it this way. You've created an incredible painting, but if it's locked away in a vault, no one will ever appreciate it. The same applies to your product or service. Without a solid distribution plan, your product is like that painting, hidden away from the world. So how do we tackle distribution? Start by understanding your customer. Who are they? Where do they hang out? How do they like to shop? Once you've got these answers, you can tailor your distribution strategy to meet them where they are. Next, consider your product. Is it a physical item that needs to be shipped or a digital one that can be delivered online? Your product's nature will significantly influence your distribution strategy. Remember, distribution is not a one-time deal. It's a dynamic process that needs to be revisited regularly as your business grows and evolves, so keep an eye on it, always. So, there you have it. Sam Altman's Guide to Entrepreneurship. Remember, focus on the long term, make something users love, and never forget about distribution. Now go out there and make your entrepreneurial dreams come true.